Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool image right here, and basically what these are some white noise machine. So you can definitely use this to actually help you guys fall asleep, or you can actually use this as a relaxing machine as well if you guys are stressed out or whatever. And for the one that we got right here is all from the same brand, but you can see they actually have in different colors. But basically all of them looks like this right here. But as you can see on the side right here, they teach you guys how to use the power right here, and also on this side as well. If you see right here, they mention how there's 13 type of noise on here. But let's open all of these first to show you guys what the pod looks like first. So first one that we have right here is the black one. But you guys take it out, you guys can see this is what it looks like inside right here. So they provide guys a USB to micro USB cable right here. And then right here we have the actual product that's all nicely wrapped. This is basically what the product looks like right here. So right here is the speaker option. And then right here we have the M button. So I'm assuming you guys can change the different modes on here or different music. And then right here we have the timer option. And you see on top right here, this is basically the switch to activate it. And also control the volume on here as well. So we open it up. You guys definitely control the noise on here, if you can see. If you guys want to turn it off, just go like that. If you guys look at the back part right here, they basically have the slot where you have to plug in the cable to recharge right here, which is micro USB. And then right here is aux cable option if you guys want to use a headphone option. So that way you guys actually relax and you don't have to worry about disturbing other people around you. And the very bottom right here, they do have the non-slip material. So when you guys put it on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about moving around, which is pretty nice. Let me actually open up the other ones as well. So next one that we got right here is a wood grain design, and everything else is basically the same thing. Alright, so once we take out this one, you guys can see this is what it looks like on this one right here. This one actually looks really cool because of that wooden design on here. So this is what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on top. Here's what it looks like in the back. And here's what it looks like in the bottom part right here. But basically everything works the same way as the first one I showed you guys. But I'm actually keep opening up everything else first. This is basically what the yellow one looks like right here. Definitely looks really nice and really small since it is a mini white noise machine. This is what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like in the back. And here's what it looks like on top. And here's what it looks like in the bottom part right here. And here's basically what the yellow one looks like. This is basically what the white one looks like. If you can see, definitely looks pretty nice. Definitely have like the all white design on here. But everything else is basically the same thing. Here's what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on top. Here's what it looks like in the back. And here is the bottom part right here. This is basically what the green one looks like. So everything is the same thing on here as well. But this is what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on top. Here's what it looks like in the back. And here is the bottom part. This is basically actually looks like for the dark green one. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice as well. Everything, all the different buttons on here is basically the same thing. But this is basically actually looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on top. Here is basically actually looks like in the back. And here is the bottom part right here. This is basically what the blue one looks like right here. If you can see, the color on here actually looks really nice. It definitely has like a very nice sky blue design on here. But basically all the buttons on here is the same thing. Here's what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on top. And here is what it looks like in the back. And here is the bottom part right here. So you can see when we actually take out all these right here, they all look really nice. They do have a lot of different color options on here. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But now I'm going to test it out to show you guys how it works first. So like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to turn it on, turn the switch on top. So that is the first sound on here. If you guys want to change it, you basically want to press on this button right here. Here's number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13. And it goes back to the original right here. If you guys want to use the timer option, you basically want to press on this button right here. And basically for the timer option right here, they have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes on here. And in terms of the battery life on here, how long does it last? On one full charge, it should give you guys around 5 hours of usage on here. And it is rechargeable using the USB cable that I provide for you guys. So definitely use like a wall charger, or if you guys want to use like a power bank, or even if you guys want to use a computer to recharge it, you can definitely recharge it however you guys want to. As long as it supports a USB cable, then you should be fine. But when you see how small this product is, you can basically carry with you guys anywhere, like a little MP3 player, which is pretty cool. But I should plug in the cable first to show you guys how to charge it and how to know when it's charging first. Alright, so basically I'm plugging the back part right here. Alright, so once you plug it in, you can see right here they do have a red indicator light to show you guys when it's charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or to change to a different color. But that is basically how you guys charge the power right here. And while you guys are charging product, you can definitely still use that as well. If you didn't see. And I do have an indicator right here to show you guys when it's on too. But definitely when you guys listen to the audio on here, especially when you guys turn on the max volume, it's actually really loud. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product, and now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you got one or need one of these. Especially try to look for a mini white noise machine that looks exactly like the one that we have right here, with all the different timer options, the different color options available right here, and also the different music options as well. If you guys want everything that's included right here and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.